Hello, I'm in a 2016 Subaru Outback, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, make sure your vehicle's on, which this is, and your display's lit up. And then from this main screen here, you could go through your phones. Tries the auto connect. So we're going to pair a new device here. So here's ones that previously connected. You might need to delete one first before you can add a new one, since there's a limited number of phones you can have stored. But here we'll do add. And then from your device, make sure Bluetooth's on, which that's there, and then often if you press and hold, it'll pull up your pairing menu. So from here, we're going to look for a Subaru BT. Sometimes this might take a few minutes or a few tries of restarting the car or the phone, but usually it should come up here on the first try. That's it, it's just a matter of waiting. Here we go, Subaru BT. So I started the pairing, and then it's got these random numbers which do match. Just randomly generated numbers, and it says we're successful. So now once it's connected, you can sync up your phone book, messages, things like that, as it's asking, which I don't want to do. You can. And now, yeah, you can take phone calls, texts, listen to music, and a lot of newer models, you could sync up maps and things as well. And then, yep, so from your home screen here and the audio, it's on the Bluetooth screen now. And if you're having issues with it playing from your device, double check that the volume's on your phone as well as on your unit, because that could cause you issues. Your volume's right here. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.